The 6th China Arab States Expo opened Thursday in Yinchuan, capital of northwest China's Ningxia Hui Autonomous Region. The 4-day event draws the participation of guests from more than 50 countries such as Saudi Arabia and Mauritania. This year's expo features trade fairs and forums on trade and investment, modern agriculture, cross-border trade, cultural tourism, health, water resources utilization, and meteorological cooperation. The offline exhibition area at the expo is nearly 40,000 square meters, and more than 1,000 domestic and foreign enterprises have participated in the exhibition.
中阿博览会呢是中阿共建“一带一路”的一场重大的盛会，那么也是对我们参展企业来说的话，也是提供了一场对外拓展市场、扩大品牌宣传的一个重要的机遇。
First held in 2013, the China Arab States Expo has become an important platform for China and Arab states to promote pragmatic cooperation and advance high-quality Belt and Road cooperation. Over the past 10 years, the Expo has attracted over 400,000 participants and 6,000 enterprises from 112 countries and regions. More than 1,200 cooperation projects were signed in areas such as modern agriculture, high technologies, and biomedicine. China is now the Arab states' largest trading partner. China-Arab trade volume almost doubled from the 2012 level to $431.4 billion last year. In the first half of this year, trade between China and the Arab states reached $199.9 billion.